How to download stickers for WhatsApp. So if you want to download stickers for WhatsApp, it is very simple to do so. Open WhatsApp and select a chat. It could be a group chat, it could be a individual chat, whatever else is that you want to do. All you have to do is just look for the emoji icon from the bottom left, and once you tap the emoji icon you will see all these different options, but we want to go to this option all the way on the right that says stickers, and you can also create your own sticker if you want to, but since we are looking to download a certain pack, here you can see different type of stickers icon. So all you have to do is, if you want to download a certain sticker pack, you have to tap on the plus button right next to that sticker. So if I tap on the plus button right here, I will be able to add that particular sticker by selecting that and selecting add to my stickers option, and once done, that sticker will be successfully added to my downloaded list, and I can go ahead and then simply send them whatever else sticker is that I want to. And this way I should be able to download stickers for WhatsApp. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.